A dental bridge, if you have natural teeth and you're missing one tooth, we create a bridge. The bridge gonna need two supports. The molar in the back gonna be reduced in size to be able to place a crown. The tooth in the front reduced in size to replace another crown, and the missing tooth gonna be fused to the other two crowns. That's a conventional bridge. When we talk in bridges with the implants, we place some mini implants to replace the missing teeth, and we create a bridge. This bridge can be two teeth together or three teeth together, or even though if you're missing all your teeth in the top, we create a bridge. We place the mini implants, we cement it in, and this is a full roundhouse. It's a bridge that is cemented in your mouth. Please give us a call. We can try to find the best solution for you.